morning, everyone. Today we're going to have French toast. I like to affectionately call it the severe storm weather breakfast, right? So, you know, when bad weather rolls in and you go to the store, what's missing, right? So bread, milk, and eggs. So that's what we're going to put together today, right? So we've got some vanilla extract that we're going to take 4 eggs out. We're going to beat it, put about a half a cup of milk in it with it. We'll probably sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on the bread to kind of give it a little bit of flavor. And then we're just going to mix it up, put it in the grill. I have some pre-made bacon to kind of save a little time, and I'm going to heat that up on the side and you know, finish it off with a little bit of powdered sugar. So yeah, it should be a real good breakfast, and you know, I think it'll come out really well. So we got our 4 eggs and a half a cup of milk, and we're going to go ahead and add our vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Here. The vanilla is what really kind of gives it that French toast flavor, so a little bit more than a teaspoon. Go ahead and use my GSI kitchen set. Got a little whisk. So go ahead and whisk that together real good. So we really want to get this to a real nice, smooth consistency. Really blend in the milk and the eggs. All right, that's looking good. Make some space. Go ahead and start preheating our pan. I'll move the grid over here. Give you a little more room.
All right, put that right here. So while Mark's working on his batter for the French toast and heating up the pan for that, he's got his bacon in that 8-inch carbon steel skillet from Pathfinder. I'm going to use my military mess kit, my GI mess kit, and I'm going to cut up and cook some of this oven roasted turkey spam. Just because I'll let Mark have some of that bacon, and I want to try this. I've never had a spam, turkey spam like this, so I'm going to use that this morning and cut up a few pieces and see what it tastes like to have with my French toast. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that on my GSI cutting board here with my knife that came with my GSI kit. And we'll get this on my Pathfinder pack stove, extend the legs, and we'll cook this up to have our French toast.
So we sprinkled a little bit of cinnamon on the bread, and then we put it in our egg, milk, and vanilla extract. For the longest time I called it abstract. It's extract. Once it's good, our butter's browning, so that's good. Just put it in a pan.
If I can just get the spam to come out, that would be another challenge. There we go. Alright, that's disgusting. Okay.
Gelatinous, that's the word that comes to mind.
Yes. I'll try to get some of that off here and put it back in the container. But alright, we'll also get in the trash. We're not going to save anything, so let's give this a try and see. Let's just try to cut like a slice like that, I guess. Okay, we'll cut some pieces. Yeah.
All right, and then I don't know if you talked about my Sea to Summit skillet.
I did not.
Okay, so it's a Sea to Summit skillet. It's a small one, so I've had it for a really long time. So it's probably 5 or 6 inch, but I really like it. It's lightweight. It's an aluminum, so it doesn't have like the heavy carbon steel that retains the heat. So as soon as you take the pan off, it cools off. But it's really non-stick and durable. So that's why we're also going to use our plastic GSI spatula.
All right, while Mark's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and get this stove turned on here. There we go. Going to use some butter flavor spray. I'm going to spray into the mess kit. Get that on the heat. Alright. Let that heat up for a bit, and then I'm going to drop in the spam. It won't take long. This is a thin stainless steel, so it doesn't take long for that to get heated up. And then ready, you can hear it sizzling. So I'll try to get these 3 pieces fried up. Alright, I'll move this off to the side.
You can smell the cinnamon and the vanilla. It smells so good.
And I'm just going to use my Ozark Trail flipper here to try to like flip this when I think it's cooked. That go. Alright. Paper plates today. I'm assuming. Alright, I'll do a paper plate. And then use my.
You can. We got plastic plates over there. So.
Yeah. I got my military fork. I'm gonna use that for my military mess kit. I'm gonna use that. See if I need more butter spray. Flip this, there we go. I'll get this nice and brown on both sides. Let that go. Got a little Florida's Natural to drink for orange juice.
I'm going to go over your span here.
Okay.
That's one piece done.
There you go. Nice.
Good. You can smell it. It smells really good.
Yeah, it does smell really good. You're gonna put that in
I'll put it pan? In the little pan that came with the bush pot that actually sits inside. It's a great little pan. It doesn't have a handle, so I use my pot lifters. But I'm just going to kind of preheat it a little bit and, you know, just put it in there. I'll put my pot lifter. There it is.
Okay.
And yeah, just take it off. Put the cover on.
There you go.
And we'll get ready for our next piece.
There you go. All right.
Something burning?
No, it's all good.
Oh, okay.
All right, everybody. So this first couple slices of Spam, I think, are nice and brown and cooked right here in my GI mess kit. So I'm going to just go ahead and turn the gas off, and I'm going to just let this stay warm. There we go. So that's off, and I'm just going to go ahead and drop. I'm going to drop my lid on here and just kind of let this kind of stay warm for now. And then keep that warm while Mark's finishing up with the French toast. So he's got about, I don't know, what is that, two slices? Got 2 slices in there. He's working on a third. And yeah, we should have a really good breakfast here pretty soon. So and of course, for syrup, we have our thank you Cracker Barrel for always providing mini syrup bottles when you go eat there. So we have 1 each. We have 2 extra up in the cabin there. So if we need more syrup, we have it. So, yeah, this looks pretty good. So, all right, Mark's going to continue to make a couple of slices of French toast. My Spam is warmed. He's going to warm up the bacon in a second, and then we'll be ready to kind of show you our plates when we're done. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, so here is our French toast breakfast. So Mark has cut it and arranged it, just sprinkled on a little bit of powdered sugar, got some of that turkey Spam, and we're going to go ahead and do a quick taste test of the French toast before we even add syrup, just to see how good it is. Let's see. That's delicious. I'm going to go ahead and add some Cracker Barrel syrup to this. Just pour that a little bit on there. Use more as I need it. Mark's coming back. He wanted to get a little extra syrup, but it tastes great. It's really good. That's perfect. So Mark got his bacon heating up.
My coffee.
He's got his morning coffee, which is his Diet Coke, typical. I had my coffee this morning while I was fishing. I'm going to have my orange juice here, as I mentioned. So, all right, we're going to start eating this meal. So, everybody, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. We'll have another video for you soon. So, everybody, take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.